I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Hello my loves, today I have a DIY room decor video for you guys. Now it's been ages since I did one of these and I had so much fun putting this together, and I do love how cute these DIYs turned out. And I also want to apologize to you guys about the delay in my videos lately. I have a lot going on. I mean, life happens, you know, you just gotta deal with it, you gotta pull through. But you know, in between, I'm trying to film for you guys, I'm trying to keep up with my social media. You know, I'm trying to balance everything else, so I just ask that you guys bear some patience with me. Don't worry, I'm not abandoning you guys, you know. Like I said, things are always just coming up and you just gotta deal with it. So, like I said, please, you know, bear with me, and I hope that you guys understand. So, thank you guys for being patient with me. So, without further ado, let's cut all this chit-chat and let's get right into this video. For this DIY, you will need a giant bulletin board and some fabric. First, I'm going to lay my fabric over my board, and I'm just going to see the way I want to cut my fabric, and then after that, I'm just going to start trimming with some scissors. Now I'm just going to start tucking my fabric behind my board so that way I see how I want to glue it, and after that, I'm just going to get my hot glue gun and start gluing. Now keep in mind, you guys do not have to use fabric. You could use pretty paper, construction paper, or whatever you want to use. You don't have to use fabric. For this next part, you are going to need some thumbtacks, pom-poms, or gemstones, or whatever you would like. And you cannot forget your cute keychains. Now what you want to do is start putting your thumbtacks into the board, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to start hot gluing the pom-poms onto the thumbtacks just to make them look a little cuter. Like I said, you could use gems for this if you would like, and guys, you could also hang keys and stuff on here. It doesn't have to be for just keychains. Now I'm just going to hang up my cute little keychains on my keychain board, and guys, I have had these just laying around because I had nowhere to put them, so this comes in handy, trust me. And there you go, there is a finished product. I love how this came out. Alright, so I have a lot of sunglasses and I have nowhere to put them, so I always keep them with my hair accessories. So I found this cute little rack at Michael's for only $3.80. So what I'm going to do is just spray paint that pink. You could use whatever color you want, and then once it dries for a whole day, I'm just going to thumbtack that onto my wall. And there you go, you have a really inexpensive sunglass rack. What do you guys think? Do you like this DIY? Yes or no? Alright, now I needed to spice up my shelves a little bit, so I got this really cute mason jar at a.c.moore. I got these flowers at Walmart and these little marbles from the dollar store. So all you basically do is cut the stems off so it can fit in the jar. You put your marbles inside and there you go. Easy peasy. The flowers were giving me a hard time to cut, but I didn't have the proper scissors for that, so, you know, I just kept cutting and breaking the stems off with my hands, and, you know, it seemed to work. This was a very inexpensive DIY. The flowers costed me $1, so was the mason jar, and so were the marbles, so totally worth it. For the last DIY, you will need some paint of your choice, a paintbrush, and this really inexpensive jewelry box. Guys, this was seriously $1 at Michael's. And you're just going to paint your box whatever color you desire, and then once that is dried, you can add any design onto it. You can paint your name, whatever you want to do. Alright my loves, once that is dry, it seriously only took a half an hour to dry. I'm just going to add some orange polka dots on there for a nice design. Like I said, you guys can put whatever you want on this jewelry box. I decided to go with orange polka dots, and I love how this looks. And there you have it, a really cute way to hold your jewelry and spice up your dresser. Hi babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more content from me. I do upload once a week. Leave some comments down below. And if you guys do recreate any of these DIYs, please tag me in pictures on Instagram, tweet them to me, or you guys can just snap them to me. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I found